Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to the channel. I am truly happy to see you here today. Thank you so much for giving me your valuable time. Today's video is very special. Today we will not rush. We will not feel pressure. We will simply relax and learn. Our topic is Build Your English in Mind. This video is not a test. This video is a practice, a peaceful practice. So sit comfortably, take a slow breath, and let us begin. Part 1. Understanding English in the Mind. Many people try to speak English quickly. They try to memorize grammar. They try to sound perfect. But English does not grow like that. English grows first in the mind. When English feels safe in your mind, it comes out naturally from your mouth. You do not need to push it.
Part 2. Stop translating, start feeling. Many learners translate every sentence. This creates fear. This creates confusion. Instead, feel the meaning. For example, think, I am here. I am listening. I am calm. Do not ask grammar questions. Just feel the sentence. Your mind understands more than you think. Part 3. Daily self-talk in English. Talk to yourself gently. When you sit quietly, say, I am sitting now. I feel relaxed. I am learning English. I am proud of myself. Your mind listens carefully. This is how English becomes natural. Part 4. Describe simple actions. Every small action is English practice. In your mind, say, I am opening the door. I am walking slowly. I am drinking water. I am resting for a moment. These are not lessons. This is life. Life is the best English teacher.
Part 5. Think in short and clear sentences. Do not think long sentences. Long sentences create fear. Short sentences create confidence. For example, I am okay. I can try. I am improving. I am not afraid. Say them slowly. Let them stay in your mind. Part 6. Replace fear with friendly thoughts. Fear blocks English. So talk kindly to yourself. Say, mistakes are okay. I am learning. Slow English is good English. I have time. When fear leaves, English stays. Part 7. Silent practice is powerful. You do not need to speak loudly all the time. Silent practice is strong. Think English quietly. Smile. Relax. Your mind is practicing even in silence. Part 8. Small daily routine. Every day, do this for 5 minutes. Sit quietly. Breathe slowly. Think easy English sentences. For example, I am breathing. My mind is calm. I feel peaceful. I like this moment. 5 minutes is enough. Consistency is more important than time.
Part 9. Trust the process. Fluency does not come in one day. Learning English is a journey, not a race. Confidence grows slowly. Every small step moves you forward. Even quiet progress is real progress. But slow confidence stays strong. Slow learning builds deep understanding. Deep understanding builds real confidence. Some days feel easy. Some days feel difficult. Both days are part of learning. If today you feel better than yesterday, even a little, you are successful. Do not compare yourself with others. Everyone learns at a different speed. Your speed is perfect for you. Your effort today matters. Your practice today counts. Tomorrow is another chance to practice. Final practice together. Now, repeat in your mind. Do not rush. Breathe slowly. I am learning English. Your mind is listening. I am patient. Patience makes learning peaceful. I am getting better every day. Small improvements change your future. Say these sentences softly in your mind. Speak gently to yourself. Be kind to yourself while learning. Very good. You are doing great.
Final message. English is not your enemy. English is your friend. English wants to help you, not judge you. It comes to you slowly and gently. Let English feel safe and friendly. Do not push yourself too hard. Learning becomes easier when the heart feels calm. When the mind is calm, words come easily. Silence is also part of learning. Build it in your mind first. Give your mind time to adjust. Comfort brings confidence. Confidence grows with daily practice. Confidence brings clarity. Clear thoughts create clear sentences. Speaking will follow naturally. You do not need to force it. This is how real learning works. Real learning stays with you for life. Trust yourself a little more each day. Your effort is already enough. Believe in your small improvements. Small improvements lead to big change. You are becoming better without even noticing. This is the beauty of slow learning. So, my dear friends, this brings us to the end of today's video. Thank yourself for giving this time to learning. Even a few minutes matter. I hope you felt calm. I hope your mind feels lighter now. I hope you felt confident. Confidence grows when fear becomes smaller. And I hope you felt proud of yourself. You deserve that feeling. Remember, you do not need perfect English. Perfect is not the goal. You only need progress. Progress comes from patience. You are on the right path. Do not turn back. Keep going. Your journey is important. Keep practicing gently. Gentle practice creates strong confidence. Thank you for practicing with me. I truly appreciate your effort. See you in the next video.